In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get yesterday's date in Excel. We'll use a quick, reliable formula that updates automatically, so every time you open your file, it reflects the correct date based on your computer's clock. First, open your worksheet and choose the cell where you want yesterday's date to appear. It can be any empty cell, but picking a clearly labeled spot will make your sheet easier to understand later. Now type the formula. Start with an equals sign to tell Excel you're entering a formula. Then type today, followed by an open parenthesis and a close parenthesis, and then type a minus sign and the number 1. Altogether, it should look like this when spoken. Equals, today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, minus 1. In other words, equals today. 1. Here's why this works. The today function returns the current date according to your system's date settings, with no time attached. Excel stores dates as sequential numbers under the hood, where each whole number represents one day. Subtracting 1 from today's date simply moves it back by 1 day, which gives you yesterday. After you've entered the formula, press Enter. Excel will calculate and display yesterday's date in that cell. In most cases, it will automatically show up in your default date format. If you see a number instead, that's just Excel's internal date serial number. Applying a date format will display it as a familiar date. The actual value is correct either way. A few helpful notes as you use this. Because this formula is dynamic, the result will change every day. That's perfect for dashboards or trackers where you always want yesterday relative to today. If you ever need the value to stop changing, remember that dynamic formulas reflect the current date, so consider converting the result to a fixed value when you're done. Also, the today function relies on your device's system date, so make sure your computer's date and time are accurate, especially if you collaborate across time zones or run scheduled reports. Finally, this approach is compatible with typical regional date settings. The displayed format may differ depending on your locale, but the calculation remains the same. Today minus 1 day. That's all there is to it. Click the cell, type equals today, open and close parenthesis minus 1, and press Enter to instantly get yesterday's date. Simple, fast, and dependable every time you open your workbook.